guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. I wanted to film a quick little review slash like try on of my Sezane Emile cardigan that I just got. I'm so excited about this. I've wanted this cardigan for so long. I've been eyeing it for like 2 years now. I already have the Gaspard cardigan and another one from Sezane that I can't remember the name of right now. But I love all of my Sezane pieces so much, and I'm so excited to have an Emile cardigan and add it to the collection. And I also know that Sezane stores are not super common in the US yet, so I wanted to upload a little bit of a video for you guys in case you are also interested in the Emile cardigan and you can't try it on yourself. So I thought I would show you what I got, and yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, hi guys. So as you know from the intro just now, I got the Emile cardigan from Sezane. I'm so excited. I wanted this cardigan for so long. I've been eyeing it for like 2 years on their website, and last year in this particular color, it was sold out from the time I started looking at it online in like the fall or winter until recently in the summer. So I've been wanting this for a while now, and it only recently got restocked over the summer, and I'm so excited that I was able to go in store in Boston Seaport and try it on and everything. So I tried on a lot of different colors today. I actually should have filmed it for you guys, and I totally didn't think to do that, and I'm kind of kicking myself, but that's besides the point. Next time I go, maybe I'll do a little like try on film for you guys if you want that. Let me know down below if you would be interested in seeing that, and I can definitely like make a trip back there. Without further ado, let's get into it. I want to show you what I got. If you have been to a Sezane store and like you've purchased something, you'll probably already know this, but if not, you always get a tote bag with your purchase, which is so nice. I honestly think that's like such a great addition to the experience, and also it's a great way to get people to use reusable bags. This is honestly such a nice quality tote bag. I already have this one, but I love it so much. I wish I could like explain to you guys how like thick and nice this tote bag like canvas is. It's really great quality, and I used the one that I already have a ton already since I got the Gaspard cardigan in May, and I used it a lot over the summer when I was traveling, when I was in Singapore. I love it so much, and I'm so excited to have another one to add into the rotation. Even you can see on the bottom, like just the shape of it is really nice and holds items really well. It's perfect for grocery shopping and anything else you want to do with a tote bag. I love tote bags personally. If you're not a tote bag person, maybe this doesn't sound as exciting to you, but it's really exciting to me. So love this. And then so it comes all pretty and wrapped up, and it's now not pretty and wrapped up because I already did this. Sorry about that. But little tag or sticker on here that says Parlez-vous Sezane. And has a QR code and stuff. Probably get more information, whatever. Let me open it up. And here she is. Okay, I'm so excited. I got the burgundy color. I actually almost made a huge mistake in the store. I actually almost got the camel color, which I thought was really cute. I tried it on and I really liked it, but I did go into the store with the intention to purchase the burgundy cardigan. Like that was kind of what I was going there for. I was really hoping they would have it in store because I wanted to see the color in person. And because this color was sold out all last year online, I've been wanting to get it before it theoretically sells out again. Like burgundy is supposed to be a really popular color this year. Burgundy is my favorite color since I was in like middle school. So I was like, I really want the burgundy. But when I was there, I was starting to get confused. I was looking at the other options. I tried on the camel collar. The camel I thought was really cute, and then I was thinking to myself, like, is this more versatile? Can I wear this with more outfits? Like, it's a neutral. I think that kind of was making sense in my brain when I was there, and I was getting confused. But when I was kind of deciding, I was about to get the brown one, and the girls who worked there, they were so nice. Love them. I don't know their names, but they were really sweet. They were like, no, I really liked the burgundy on you. I think you should get the burgundy one. And I was like, oh, really? They're like, yeah, you're like a true dark winter. I think you should get the burgundy one. It really made your like skin tone pop and your hair pop, and you looked really good in it, and I think that's your color. I was like, well, it's my favorite color. Like, you don't need to tell me twice if you think that's the better choice. So I am really happy with it. I think there's a world in which somebody said that and I got the wrong color, the one that I didn't really want deep inside, where I would be upset. Not like upset at them, but like I just would like have buyer's remorse. That is not the case with this. I think this is truly in my heart and soul the color I wanted, and I just needed like a little nudge in the correct direction. So I appreciate them for that. I appreciate their honesty in saying that this was more my color. I think if in the future I were to get another one, I'd probably get the camel one next, because I do want like a neutral in the same sweater, but I'm really happy my first one is this burgundy one that I've been thinking about for like a year. So at least a year, maybe 2 years. So let me like kind of show you the whole sweater. Here she is. She's so pretty. The buttons are just like the most perfect match. I think they look really nice with the sweater, and the knit is really nice. Actually, you know what, since this is like a full review, let me look at the composition and give you extra information. Oh, it comes with a bonus button, as it should, as sweaters should, if they have buttons. Okay, so it is 55% alpaca, 30% polyamide, and 15% wool. So it's a really nice composition, I think. I don't know a ton about polyamide. I think this is gonna hold up really nicely. It feels really soft. I did see somewhere recently, I don't remember who or what creator, I'm so sorry, but polyamide helps hold those different types of fabric fibers together. So I think that makes a lot of sense, but that's all I know. I got it in a size large. I find that Sezane's cardigans run true to size to a little small in my opinion. I feel like some people have different opinions on that. I think French sizing is a bit smaller than American sizing, which I feel like would make a lot of sense. That their medium is a little bit smaller than like an American medium, right? So I am pretty accurately a medium in most places, but I wanted this to have like a bit more of a slouchy feel. So I went with the large. Just for sizing references, if you want to order, I feel like I'm a medium at Abercrombie, probably a medium at Madewell. I'm like a 38 in Sezane or in European sizes. In End of Their Stories, I usually buy like a 38. Yeah, I think I'm like anywhere between like a 6 to a 10 US sizes, if that's helpful. But yeah, I purchased a large, and I also have a larger bust. I'm really happy with how it fits. I also tried on medium in a different color, and it fit, but it didn't have the slouchy, easy casual look that I was going for. So this cardigan is so perfect. I also don't find it as itchy as some people make it out to be. Let me do a little like try on for you. Oh, also, I guess I'll tell you guys the price. This retails for, it's not on here, but it retails for 170 US dollars, which is quite expensive, but this is something I intend to have for a very, very long time. Like maintain the care of it and have it for as long of its lifespan as possible. I think I personally, with the way I care for my clothes, at least 10 years I can have this sweater. So it's obviously a investment piece, but something that's really worth it for me. And the cost per wear will, at like 10 years of wearing this, I don't know, this is something in my brain also, I'm jumping around a lot, sorry, that I could pass down to like a daughter someday who would be like, oh my God, it's like my mom's vintage Sezane sweater. And that would be like really cool, you know what I mean? So this is something I plan to hold on to. So the price point makes sense with all of those things in mind for me and for my life. But I just wanted to put that out there, and I will also have it linked down below for you guys to check out if you want. Here she is, and I'm gonna unbutton her and do like a little try on right here, and then I might cut and like try to show you how it looks with my outfit. It also looks great with this like basic tee that I have on. Finally gonna try it on for you guys. Oh my God, the big moment. Here it is. That is just such a good color, guys. I feel like this is such a, the girls in the store were so right. This is definitely my color. How does it go? That is 100% your look, honey baby. I haven't even seen I've only started the first episode of The Summer I Turned Pretty, so yeah, that's just, I've heard the viral sound 1,000 times. Okay, this cardigan is so cute. I love it so much. I feel absolutely adorable in this, and I think it's soft. I don't know why everybody's saying this is itchy. I don't find it itchy at all. I find it really soft and cozy. Like I could wear this all day. No itching at all. And I know some people have like really sensitive skin, maybe that's why. I feel like if it were, I've had wool turtlenecks before, and those are very itchy for me and like cause me to have a little bit of a rash. But this I feel like I would be completely fine in all day, even if I wore it without this t-shirt under it. Okay, so I love this so much. I feel like you're getting like a good idea of how it looks like if I'm just sitting here. Oh my God, wait, let me pose for you guys. Me and my book. My current read, The Beauty of Darkness, The Remnant Chronicles. The color scheme? This was not planned. This is actually my current read, but it looks really good together, so. Is this how I look sitting in a coffee shop? Or on a park bench while I'm reading? Okay. Very fun. Looks cute with my cardigan. Really giving the book girl vibes, the academia aesthetic. So that's my book. That's my outfit. And let me do a little stand-up try on so you guys can get the full look. Okay, I know the lighting is a little bit harsh. It's the evening. It's like 9 p.m. right now. I just really wanted to show you guys. I didn't want to wait till tomorrow. So sorry if the lighting isn't perfect, but this is how the cardigan looks with this outfit. I have this cute little Free People skirt on. My t-shirt is from End of Their Stories. This is my new cardigan that I love so much. Yeah, I'm so excited. I just immediately wanted to come home and film a video about it for you guys because I love it that much. So yeah, I could also wear it open, you know, like this, like this, like this. Let me come up closer. And you can really, I feel like this lighting's a bit better. You guys can really see how nice the quality is. I wish you guys could feel it. It's really soft. To me, it feels really soft. I just love how it looks with this little like white t-shirt sticking out of it. I think it looks really cute. I could do a full button-up moment. I think this looks adorable as well. There's so many ways to style it. I can't wait to try it on with other outfits, with jeans and everything. There's just so much I want to do with this cardigan for the fall. And for the winter, it's gonna be so cute at Christmas time. I'm just so excited. So I think this is perfect. I love it so much. That is my review of the Sezane Emile cardigan. I totally would buy it in more colors in the future, not right away, because they are very expensive. Actually, you know what? That's a lie. If I had infinite money, I would just buy all the colors because I really like it. And if that's you, definitely do that. I would love that for you, but that's not me. So I got one color for now and I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna cherish it and love it and take great care of it for many years to come. I'm really excited about it. This is a great purchase. I can't wait to wear it all fall and winter and even into the spring. I think there's a lot of ways I could style it. I would happily get another one in the future. I think I'm repeating myself. That's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, please. It really helps me out in my little small channel that I'm working on growing and bringing you so much content. Leave a comment and tell me what you think of the Emile cardigan, if you would ever get one, if you have one, what color it is. Be sure to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.